It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor?
Hi neighbors, I'm Corey. I'm with Hallmark Cards, and these are my helpers, Caleb and Lily. Say hi, Lily. Hi, Caleb. We are excited to participate in Be My Neighbor Days, a virtual week of kindness. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a kindness card for your neighbor. To start, we need our materials. I have crayons, markers, construction paper, glue, and scissors. First, grab your construction paper and fold in half. This way. Next, we need to cut out a sunburst. And now we are going to draw a fun pattern. It could be stripes, it can be polka dots, anything you can come up with. Circle, line, square. Again, this is what I did. I did a stripe pattern, but you can create whatever you can come up with. Any pattern, anything. What we do next is we take our sunburst and we glue it in the center of our card. It's gonna end up looking like this in the end. And then what our message is gonna say is, your kindness shines bright. We are going to make a face. On your face, you can make it whatever you want it to look like. If you want the sun to have a bow, lips, superhero mask. Now that we have our card cover finished, we can move to the inside and write our message and sign our name.
I did it.
Here. Awesome, Lily. Now that we're finished with our cards, we can share them with our neighbor or friends.
Thank you for joining us for today's Be My Neighbor Days episode. Now it's your turn to share some kindness. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more great videos from Kansas City PBS Kids. See you tomorrow for more great activities about kindness and your neighbors. Ugga mugga.